Hello students, in my previous video you have already learnt boss topology, your star topology, then your ring topology. Today we will learn mesh topology. Actually, what is mesh topology? Mesh topology, see the figure. See, that are the systems. Actually, 4 systems are connected with each other, and every system connected with each other. The system let's see, every system are connected with each other. In this way, mesh topology are connected. So how can you know that? Know that what are the number of cables required to connected every system with each other? Let's see a formula, that is n whole into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is equal to number of systems. So here there are 4 systems. Let's see, 4, then 4 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4 into 3 divided by 2 equal to 12 by 2, 6. So there are 6 number of cables. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 number of cables. Suppose that computer wants to communicate with this computer, this computer, this computer. So these cables are required to transfer data from one cable to another cable. In this way, mesh topology works. What are the advantages of mesh topology? The main advantage is it provides redundant paths between devices. It provides redundant path. Redundant, as I told earlier, redundant means error. Suppose this computer transfers a fault data, and that system will know that the data transferred by this system is a fault data. Then again that computer sends to this computer that your data is fault or error. So you have to provide another message, that is the corrected form of data, that is known as the redundant path. The main disadvantage is it is complicated to install. It is complicated to install. Complicated means it is very difficult. Suppose in a mesh topology there are 4 systems, so there are 6 number of cables required. If in a mesh topology suppose 1000 systems are connected, then you count how many number of cables are required. There are so many so that it is very difficult to install. Next topology, your tree topology. As the name suggests, tree, the topology is looks like a branch of a tree. Let's see. Actually, tree topology integrate the multiple star topology. In a star topology, there is a hub. Here is the another hub. Here is the another hub. In a star topology, so many systems are connected to a hub. Yes or no? Actually, it is yes, because in a star topology, there is a hub and every systems are connected to the hub. But in tree topology, actually all hubs are interconnected with each other. But every systems are not directly connected with each other. Every systems are connected with each other, but virtually connected. Virtually means directly not connected with each other. Suppose there are the system, that system is not directly connected with each other. That system is virtually connected by the hub. Suppose this computer want to communicate with this computer. First, this computer sends data to the hub, and that hub transfer data to that hub, and that hub to that hub. This hub transfers the system. So in this way, this system and these systems are connected with each other. Understand? Okay. What are the disadvantage of computer network? What are the disadvantage of computer network? Listen. Suppose this is a server. Suppose this is your Google server and this is your system. If your network problem arises, then the server stops to transfer data. If the server transfers data, if the server stops to transfer data, then it will not able to access the application. So first disadvantage is if server stops to transfer data, then the user will not able to access. Second, if the network is larger, then it is difficult to manage. Difficult to manage means, suppose a system is showing error, then you can't know actually what the system provides data or not providing data. Next disadvantage is if traffic increases on a network, the performance degrades unless it is designed properly. Next, it is difficult to make system secure from hackers. Or many of the hackers are watching what are the work is done by you on a network. In this way, your bank hackers can steal your money from your account. So it is very difficult to make your system secure. So all of you, your topic is going to over. and all of you are advised to do the exercise properly. Okay.